Yeah, this is a code for impulse response. For getting the response, unit step response, we have to modify only 2 to 3 lines here. Just modify the comment first, that is step response. You can give it as unit step, whatever the comment, it's no take. Here declare it d only when n greater than or equal to, just change that, greater than or equal to 0, then it is 1. Then here we have to change this to filter, then remaining on all give here is step response control is. Now run the code. Yeah, this is what the expected output waveform for step response. Yeah, yeah. Only the slight modification in impulse response will give you the step response.